From several cryptocurrency chart analysts, thoughts are that the price of XRP is about to explode to much higher margins. As we'll see in today's video, these expert analysts are predicting the price of XRP to hit above the $10 marker come this bull cycle. Some would even argue that all of the partnerships and endorsements that Ripple is getting are enough reason to see the price of XRP hit above $100. Maybe to the controversial $589 and even $1,000 for a single XRP token by the end of the year come this bull season. Hello again and welcome back to Make Money Online, a channel where we give you information about investing in crypto and everything XRP. Tell you what, if you're looking to purchase some XRP tokens, consider this a heads up because this might just be the last chance you'll have to buy XRP below the $2 price tag. If this is your first time on the channel and you like what you've heard thus far, hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Also, now you can join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. All you have to do is hit the join button next to the subscribe button below this video. There are several tiers to choose from, offering rewards ranging from unique XRP Army stickers and a badge right next to your name to personalized help with your portfolio. You can also sign up for our free Discord group via the link in the description and join a community of like-minded traders and investors. Also, there's the option to join and get access to our VIP channels on Discord, where we share the latest news, technical analysis, predictions, and everything XRP. Be sure to check it out via the link in the description and also in the pinned comments. This might be your last chance to get your hands on some XRP tokens for a lot cheaper. I know many of you might be thinking that a statement such as this is cliché, given that you hear them all over YouTube every now and then. But I can assure you, this is no hoax, it's not clickbait, as there are both fundamental and technical reasons behind such statements. I know there are all sorts of instances where you see people on social media say such things as, this might be your last chance to get this or that token, there would never be a much better chance at this, and so forth. First of all, it's pertinent to add that I'm not a financial advisor. I don't offer financial advice. Consult with a professional financial advisor before investing in any crypto. But on that note, I'm going to pretend to know the exact time this price action is going to tend towards the positive. Furthermore, it's necessary to point out that we've been in the bear market for the better part of the last 4 years, 3.5 years to be precise, where we were trading sideways and the entire cryptocurrency market was experiencing severe dips. We've heard all of these people boldly state, whether it's Bitcoin or XRP, that this is your last chance. You're not going to have this crack at these prices again. Fast forward to this very moment, now that we're in this bull cycle, I kind of imagine what is the worst that could happen to the world's most renowned currency in terms of distributed ledger technology and on-demand liquidity. What could we possibly have that could be worse than our little surprise from last year's SEC lawsuit we had in December? I mean, that minor December fray with the SEC going after Ripple. We've got to admit, at this point, it's hard to envisage a world where XRP does go back down to some of these lower price tags, which we saw during the bear market, or anything below the $1 marker. I mean, these days are long behind us. Here's the thing, since XRP moves in tandem with the rest of the market, we'll talk about how high this will go come this bull season. One thing is for sure, we're going to witness substantial gains where a bubble forms at a way higher price margin than we're currently seeing. Keep in mind that this could happen over a short period, maybe over a few weeks or so, after which we should expect to see an 80 to 90% pullback. Even so, depending on how high this thing goes, it's very much likely that we're not going to see those price actions that we saw over the last couple of months. The 30-something cent XRP again, or 40-something cents, or anything below $1. Aside from the technical charts and all that, logically thinking through this and seeing how the markets behave, I'm pretty bullish that the price of XRP would hit some high gains in the near term, somewhere between the $5 to $10 price tag, then retrace by 80 or 90% to maybe $1.90 to $2, and finally head for the moon. Here's a tweet from popular XRP chart analyst Incredible Crypto on Twitter. In response to the question as to whether XRP would plunge below the $1.3 price tag to its lowest low from the last bear market, he responded with the hope that XRP would dip even more so he can stock up his asset portfolio while tagging the overall outcome of the XRP pump to whatever trend the number one cryptocurrency Bitcoin adopts. It's vital to take note of how this is being addressed. If we do see these price levels below $1.30, that means some people are freaking out of the market and selling. And since we've established that this is typical human behavior, he will not behave like so if that occurs. Rather than panic selling, he's going to be saying something along the lines of, okay, this is the perfect time to restock. And then there was this tweet from chart analyst Tara, where she calls out to the entire XRP community and crypto community to load up some XRP before it's too late. She tweets, "Time to load up on XRP. This is literally going to be your last chance under $2. The 0.618 or $1.18 is the key target. After we hit this level, it's going to blast through the all-time high. You can ladder buys on each fib." So there's someone that is, of course, pro-XRP, and does believe that its price could go substantially higher. From my perspective, there could be a pullback to a level like that, but rather than appalling, it would look appealing, if you ask me. Just as we've seen Incredible Crypto practically put forth a pro tip that if XRP dips to these levels, we shouldn't miss out on buying in. And again, even if you're new to crypto, please be aware of this. If the price starts to go in that direction, it doesn't necessarily mean that the sky is falling. We've got analysts such as Incredible Crypto talking about not trading XRP regardless of where the price falls to, given he's got a much smaller percentage invested in what he's willing to trade, as he's looking to sell his XRP at $20 to $30. We've got Tara at Precision Trade 3 calling out to all of crypto's investors to stock up on their lots in XRP before it finally settles and forms a support level at the $1.98 to $2. We've got David Schwartz, the CDO of Ripple, saying that the network is now fully operational and decentralized in ways that other popular cryptocurrencies just aren't. All of these are reasons enough for you guys to see the potential of this going way higher than analysts could predict. These prices don't seem wacky to me. These predictions all seem attainable because there is more than enough money to flow into crypto in the coming years to make that happen. And if you look at the bigger picture, there's enough to flow from Bitcoin, which is the #1 cryptocurrency, to XRP and others to make that happen. That is cyclically how this happens, much like people taking profits from this coin and chucking it into some other coin. And when this green candle sprouts, these influxes are going to be flying in from all over the place. At this point, I want to talk about market cap too, because it is intriguing. Ethereum's at $3,326, a slight drop from its newly registered all-time high of $3,500, according to crypto data aggregator CoinDesk. Looking at Bitcoin's dominance at 45.7%, the lowest it's been in years, we've got Bitcoin pegged with a market capitalization of about $1 trillion. The market cap of XRP is barely $73 billion. If you ask me, I think Bitcoin has still got a bit more to go. However, the altcoins are definitely going to outpace it. It might take time, it might take years, but rest assured, it will definitely happen. Think about how much money is needed to flow in just to get Bitcoin to go 2 or 3 times more from its current price, considering it's happened time and time again in the past. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like, maybe subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. Don't forget that you can also join the channel for some exclusive benefits, and there's a link in the description to join our free Discord channel as well. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to let us know, and be sure to check out some of our previous videos as well. See you next time.
Recommend that UNL has dropped to a very small percentage, and so the network now is operationally decentralized in a way that those other cryptocurrencies just aren't.
David, how does Bitcoin or Ethereum differ from XRP?
The biggest difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum and the XRP ledger is proof of work versus consensus. Bitcoin and Ethereum use proof of work, which hasn't delivered on its promise of decentralization the way consensus has. They also have much higher latency. So a Bitcoin transaction, you're looking at between 10 minutes to an hour to become confident that the transaction will succeed, versus on the order of 5 seconds with the XRP ledger.
Last question then. 2019, what are you looking forward to on the XRP ledger?
I'd like to see more use of the decentralized exchange. We have this proliferation of digital assets. We might have a proliferation of stablecoins as well. The XRP ledger has been operating as a decentralized exchange since 2012, and I'd like to see that continue and grow.
That's how it goes. Hollywood person.